Under contract in just 2 days? Let's take a look and see what made this Florida Keys gem home move fast. Boater's Paradise, 75 feet of concrete dockage on a deep water canal just moments from open ocean. Built in 1968, this solid concrete conch home has weathered storms and stands strong, a true Keys classic. Inside, vintage terrazzo floors, a bright and airy layout, and timeless conch charm throughout. A spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath layout with a covered screen room offering ample indoor-outdoor living. The serene screen room is a Florida Keys classic. A perfect front row seat to fish splashing and ocean breezes, your morning coffee, or a beautiful unwind at the end of the day. A semicircular driveway and covered carport add everyday convenience, and just inside, a spacious laundry and utility room offers extra storage and functionality, perfect for life in the Keys. And with room to add a pool, the possibilities for outdoor living are endless. We priced it right, and it paid off. In just 48 hours, we had multiple offers and we went under contract. If you're thinking of buying or selling, strategy matters, and I'd love to help you win. Call or text Lisa at 561-386-4952. I'd love to chat. Let's unlock your Florida Keys lifestyle today.